Welcome to Crimson Resort and Spa, located at Station 0, Boracay Island in the Philippines. On this vlog, you will see the deluxe hotel room tour, the complete breakfast buffet tour, and some of the beach activities that we tried. So please subscribe to my channel to see more family, travel, food, and adventure vlogs. So hi guys, we're here for the room tour. We got the Deluxe Hillview. Good for 2 adults and 2 children, 12 years and below. The deluxe room size is 35 square meters, inclusive of twin beds. The room comes with widescreen TV with cable television. They gave us welcome back treats, so sweet. Room comes with 2 big water bottles that are refillable in the water station. The room has an espresso machine with 3 capsules, but you can ask for a refill from the room services. The drawer comes with cups and glasses, a mini refrigerator, water heater, coffee and tea. Inside the refrigerator, there's beer and soft drinks. There's a sofa bed with a side table near the window. They also provide a complimentary fedora hat. It's time to check out the balcony. You can see here a wet clothes hanger and a beautiful view from the balcony. There's full of plants and you can see the suites down below. We booked the hill view, but looks like they gave us something with a garden view, which is so nice. The room is spacey even for a family of 4, and you can see here the good lighting and interiors, very modern. The room has a bedside light, and here are the controls for the automatic blinds and some lights. Here's the bedside table with telephone for room service, notepad, remote for TV, and a fan. And here's a view of the full bathroom with the bathtub. So there's a glass window that you can see from the bedroom. There's a safe with a digital code, some slippers, which you can ask for more from room service. The bathroom is very spacey. It comes with a bathtub with a handheld shower. They have complete toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste. You can ask for more from the room service. Of course, there's soap, toilet paper. This is the shower area. Comes with soap and shampoo. You can choose from a handheld shower or a rain type shower. Here's a view of the toilet. Of course, there's a bidet and toilet paper available. For the room rates, the Deluxe Hillview is the most affordable amongst all choices. We booked our stay using the Crimson Resort website. In their website, they offered a package that comes with airport transfers, breakfast buffet, and food credits. So it's best to look at the website to check their offers and promos. Good morning from Crimson Boracay. Today we are at Saffron Cafe for the breakfast buffet, served from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. daily. They have a variety of choices: Western classics, Filipino favorites, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean options. And And of course, they have freshly baked breads, pastries, salads, cold cuts, and tropical fruits. Don't miss the live cooking stations. You can order your eggs how you like it, or get a bowl of hot noodles on the spot. And to pair with all that, freshly squeezed juices, brewed coffee, espresso drinks, and aromatic teas. Every morning here feels like a celebration of flavors and tropical vibes. A perfect start to the day here in Boracay.